Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Atri. I make videos related to makeup, beauty, skincare, hauls, reviews, etc. If this is something interests you, you must subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you some random things which I have got from Amazon, some random stuffs here and there, and a few skincare stuff which I always shop. And if you don't know, I am a shopaholic, I would say. I shop every now and then, which is not good for my pocket. Yes, there is a big dent in my pocket because I shop this much. So yes, I'm going to show you what all I got. So let's dig into the video and see what all I have got. But before that, I would like to introduce this app, that is GoPaisa. And GoPaisa is nothing but it will give you cashback while you can shop for your favorite products. And I also like earning little cashback. You know, you can't refuse a little rewards which you get because I shop a lot. So this is a boon for me. So if you are someone who likes shopping and you can earn a little bit of cashback, kya jata hai guys, you can do it, right? And this part of the video is sponsored by them. I'm so happy, and I'm going to tell you the steps which you can use for using this app, and you can save so much of money. So let's see the steps one by one.
So guys, initially you have to go to your Google Play. If you have Android phone or iOS, you know where to download this app from. So just search for GoPaisa and download it. I have already downloaded it. Then you have to open it and you can see there are so many offers. There are so many brands from Mamaearth to Myntra to Amazon. You have many brands. You can have a look at that, whatever brand you need, and you can see so many cashback options there. So yeah, whatever you feel like, you can go and search for that for the same, and you will get so many offers as well from this particular app. As you can see, there are so many sales going on. So now I will be clicking on amazon.in. So as and when you click on amazon.in, you will see this page will appear, and then just click on get cashback. Now you are redirected towards Amazon's official website. Shop as you will normally shop on amazon.in, and add the items to your cart, and then proceed to buy, and then you can check out, place your order as you will normally do. Then go back to your GoPaisa app, and under the pending section you will see that there is some cashback, and you can redeem this cashback. You will get a confirmation mail. So it is as simple as that. You can also use the link which I have mentioned to get some extra cashback.
So now I'm going to show you what all I got. Yes, I'm fumbling today a lot. Please excuse me for that. So the first thing which I have got from the brand Earth Rhythm, this is their Phyto Gel with Centella asiatica, and this has horsetail extracts as well. And this is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes in a clear glass bottle, and you can see the color is green, and it also comes with a pump dispenser. So really good and a travel friendly product. Yes, it has glass, so it's not that travel friendly, but it is okay. Thoda bahut to chal jata hai. Then the next one is the Renew Overnight Gel. This has snail mucin, and oh my god, Indian brand having a snail mucin in their products. I have seen Cosrx doing that, but for an Indian brand to do this, hats off. I am trying these two currently. As you can see, I'm trying these two. I will update you guys soon. Now next up is this sunscreen by again Earth Rhythm. This is Daily Fluid, Daily Defense with SPF 30. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a brown glass bottle. Nothing is in plastic bottles. So that's a yay, environmental friendly as well. Now next thing is this. This is the cheap lip and cheek tint. And see the shade here. I will be leaving the shade name here, and they have 3 shades if I'm not wrong, brandy, and 2 more shades. And this is how it looks like. It's a tint, and that's what I'm wearing on my cheek today. I love this thing. I freaking love this thing. You can see, you can very easily, blend this in your skin. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can just apply it like dot, and then you can definitely use your beauty blender or brush, and you can see it just gives natural flush of color. and this is pigmented. This is not something which is not pigmented, which is like water. Like we have the Body Shop one. This is not like water. Can you see? It gives such natural flush of color. So this is the next one. Also, I've got a few items from Mother Sparsh. You can definitely shop them from Amazon. So the very first thing is this. This is the face mask by Mother Sparsh. I really like their packaging though. This is the oatmeal and honey face mask, and this is how it looks like. Smells good. Actually smells good. Okay. Next up is this face wash by the same brand. This is their new range that is plant powered, and it is really good. Like if you follow me on Instagram, I have talked about this. I will make a detailed review on this brand as well, but right now I'm just showing you what all I have got. And this is the eye cream. I love using the eye cream. I use it daily. And next I have their ultra rich face cream. As you can see, I have used a lot of it. Then we have the body butter. This is how it looks like. Okay, so these are the products which I have, skincare products which I have shopped from Amazon. Suffering from hair fall, so I thought of getting my hands on this. This is the Mamaearth onion hair mask. I have used it earlier and it stopped my hair fall. Even now I used it yesterday, and my hair fall, it just stopped. I mean, can't believe this, guys, but this thing really works on my hair. Okay, that's all. The makeup, I don't have makeup as such. I just have this tint. Skincare, I have skincare. I have shown you all the skincare. Now I'm going to show you the things, the random things which I have got. Shall we? So the next item, I saw so many people using this. This is the Kraksta metal jewelry display stand with 10 hanging hooks and 57 earring holes, and this retails for $390. And I'm also going to insert a clip where I'm going to show you how I like to use it. So for the quality, it is very sturdy. Also going to pop a picture over here. It is very good quality, and yes, if you are someone who have a lot of jewelry and like to store it, you can definitely store it according to yourself, your liking. And I really like it, and I will give this thing a thumbs up, a huge thumbs up. Okay, so that's how this earring holder looks like, and I have hanged all my jewelry over here. You can see so many jewelry items I have hanged. I have hanged my hair bands as well over here, but yes, those are hanged on this hanger. But look at this beauty. It looks so pretty, like so beautiful. All my things are organized now. You can also hang your chains over here, all the earrings over here, and this is paradise for me, I would say. Really like the quality. It is very sturdy. You can see this is very sturdy, so you can hang it properly, and I have hanged it using this particular hanger, and yeah, really looks nice. Okay, so next is this stylish set of 4 foldable storage box drawer level. I don't know what is this. It retails for $4.99, so you get 4 foldable boxes. I am going to show you how it looks like, and quality is fine, but I don't think 500 it is worth 500. So if you are looking for something like that, yes, it is very good for organizing your makeup or your clothes, but then I would say the drawers, like the width is really less, so please see before buying it. So I find this item okay, not a huge fan of this. Okay guys, so this is how this looks like. As you can see, this has so many compartments over here. I cannot take it out, but you can see so many compartments are there. This is one of the drawers, and I have stored all my things over here. So yeah, it is good for storing your makeup items or anything. You can also store your socks over here, and small things if you have, you can store. So this was one of the boxes. Next I have Bulfi's jewelry case organizer. This is pack of 3 again. This is for $3.99, and I love the quality of it. You can store your small earrings like I have done. I'm going to show you that, and it looks phenomenal. Yes, I really like how it stores my jewelry. You can even store your eyelashes, you can store your medicines, and the best part is that the partitions are detachable, so you can make space according to yourself. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the biggest box amongst
the three, and as you can see, I have used it, I have customized it according to my liking. If I open you and show you, I can store so many earrings, earpieces over here. So basically not too big earrings. You can see the size of the earrings should be like so, and you can also store your chains over here securely. So I really love the concept of this box. And secondly, I have this type of box. This is a little bit smaller than it. I have one more box. I am going to insert the picture of it. I don't know where I have kept it. It's small, like it is smaller than this. So you can definitely store your earrings, you can store your medicines, store your stationery, whatever you feel like. And really good quality, I would say. These are not cheap, good quality, and you can also remove them if you feel like these are detachable.
Last thing, this is again very personal thing. The thing was, my husband's birthday was on 7th, and I really decorated, jazzed up the living room a bit, and for that I got a few things from this brand called Party Props. So basically this is the set where you get curtains which are foiled curtains, then you get balloons as well. So I had my backdrop, I had the cloth, but then I needed something to jazz it up, and that's what I used. I have video of it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to pop a picture over here because obviously I have used it, so I can show you now. So I liked it. It retails for $349, and for $349 I feel it is really good quality. Okay, if you're looking for something like this for birthday party or anything, you can definitely pick this out. Okay guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and all the links are there in the description box, and you can use my link to download GoPaisa app. And yeah, happy shopping. You can save so much of money on that app. And I'm not promoting this because they have sponsored that part of video, but it is because I really like the concept, and I have earned some cashback using GoPaisa app. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.